Imagine a world where robots build our cars, cook our food, and even replace human workers. That world isn't science fiction, it's happening right now in China. Welcome to the robot revolution. China has rapidly become the global leader in robotics and automation. With over half of the world's industrial robots installed in Chinese factories, the country is transforming how goods are produced. But what's driving this revolution? The push for automation is fueled by several key factors: a shrinking workforce, rising labor costs, and fierce competition in global manufacturing. The Chinese government has invested billions in robotics research, AI development, and industrial automation. Their goal? To dominate the fourth industrial revolution. Companies like DJI, UBTECH, and Huawei are at the forefront of this revolution. From advanced AI-powered humanoid robots to automated delivery drones, Chinese tech firms are setting new global standards. With over 1.5 million industrial robots working in China, concerns are growing about job displacement. Will human workers become obsolete? Or will they adapt to new roles in this high-tech era? China is not just using robots in factories. AI-powered robots are now handling deliveries, healthcare, and even law enforcement. The integration of AI and robotics is shaping the future in ways we never imagined. China's robotic dominance is reshaping global supply chains, challenging Western economies, and intensifying trade wars. As Chinese robotics continue to evolve, how will the rest of the world respond? The robot revolution is here. Will it bring prosperity or disruption? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more eye-opening content.